Let's dive into the fascinating world of penguins with some mind-blowing facts that'll make you see these waddling wonders in a whole new light. Did you know that penguins aren't just found in Antarctica? While many live there, you can actually find penguins in South America, Africa, Australia, and New Zealand. Speaking of which, the smallest penguin species, the little blue penguin, is only about 16 inches tall. That's shorter than your average house cat. Here's something that'll surprise you. Penguins have superpowers. Well, sort of. They can drink seawater. Their special glands filter out the salt, which they sneeze out through their beaks. Pretty neat, right? And when it comes to swimming, these birds are absolute champions. While they might look awkward on land, penguins can swim up to 22 miles per hour underwater. That's faster than most Olympic swimmers. They're also incredible divers, with emperor penguins able to dive up to 1,800 feet deep and hold their breath for up to 20 minutes. Now, let's talk about their social lives. Penguins are incredibly loyal partners. Most species mate for life, and they can recognize their partner's call among thousands of other penguins. It's like having caller ID built into their brains. Here's a heartwarming fact. Penguin parents take turns caring for their eggs. The males often huddle together to keep warm while incubating the eggs, taking turns being on the outside of the group where it's coldest. Talk about teamwork. You might think penguins are just black and white, but under UV light, their feathers actually glow blue and green. And speaking of feathers, they have more feathers than most other birds, up to 100 per square inch. These dense feathers help keep them warm and waterproof. Want to hear something cool? Penguins don't have teeth, but they do have spikes on their tongues and the roof of their mouths that help them grip slippery fish. And those distinctive tuxedo-like markings? They're actually a form of camouflage called countershading that helps protect them from predators. Did you know there's a penguin species that lives in the Galapagos Islands, right on the equator? The Galapagos penguin is the only penguin species that can be found north of the equator in the wild. Here's a fun one. Penguins spend about 75% of their lives in the water, but they actually sleep while floating on the surface. They take hundreds of micronaps throughout the day, each lasting only a few seconds. Finally, let me share this amazing fact. Some penguin colonies are so large they can be seen from space. The emperor penguin colony at Halley Bay can have up to 25,000 breeding pairs at a time. These incredible birds have survived on Earth for over 60 million years, adapting to some of the harshest conditions on the planet. They're living proof that being different and unique is actually pretty awesome. So next time you see a penguin, remember, there's way more to these remarkable birds than meets the eye.